Welcome to Purposefully AI, where we build simple systems that create real income. Today, we're diving into one of the most underrated AI side hustles right now, selling AI-generated email templates to businesses. Businesses pay hundreds of dollars for email sequences that AI can now write in minutes. I'm going to show you a simple, repeatable system you can start today, even without copywriting experience. If you can copy, paste, and deliver on time, you can do this. Here is why this side hustle works. We're tapping into a major pain point for most businesses. Businesses already know email marketing works, but what they don't have is the time. They constantly need content like welcome emails, follow-ups, and abandoned cart reminders. Hiring a traditional copywriter for a single email sequence can easily cost $300 to $1,000. When you deliver clean, ready-to-use AI templates quickly, businesses are happy to pay $50 to $150 without hesitation. You're not selling copywriting. You're selling done-for-you clarity. Here's a simple, effective offer. A basic package can include 3 emails for $49. A premium package with 7 emails and subject lines can go up to $149. Package your offering clearly. The best part? Each package takes about 15 to 30 minutes to create with AI. That is incredibly high leverage work for significant income. Now let me show you the core of the system, the exact ChatGPT prompt that does most of the heavy lifting. You instruct ChatGPT. You are an expert email copywriter. Write a 5-email sequence for a specific business type, promoting a specific offer. Each email should be conversion-focused, 150 to 200 words, and include a compelling subject line and a strong call to action. Once ChatGPT generates the emails, you refine them with simple follow-ups. Ask it to adjust the tone, rewrite it for a local audience, or shorten the length. AI handles the structure. You handle the polish. The next step is finding clients. Start where businesses already look for help. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are great places to begin. You can also join Facebook groups for small business owners or look at local business websites with outdated email signups. Use this simple outreach message. I help small businesses save time by creating ready-to-use email templates using AI. Would you like a free sample? You only need one yes to get started. Once you have a client, your delivery workflow must be simple and repeatable. Ask 3 key questions. Who is their audience? What are they promoting? And what tone do they want? These inputs guide your ChatGPT prompt. Generate the emails, paste them into a clean Google Doc or PDF, and deliver within 24 hours. Fast delivery builds trust and leads to valuable repeat work. Once this works once, it scales easily. You can turn email packs into digital products, offer monthly email refresh services, or bundle them with other AI-generated assets. This is how a side hustle turns into a reliable system. If you want the exact prompts and workflows I use to build AI income streams like this, make sure to check out the link below. Remember, simple systems lead to real income. Download the free AI Money Starter Kit linked below, and if you want more AI side hustles broken down step by step, subscribe to Purposefully AI.